found DBG files alongside Windows executables or drivers. These contain debugging information essential for software troubleshooting. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Microsoft debug symbol files are and how developers use them. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value DBG file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. DBG files are debug symbol files in the older Microsoft COFF debug format used for Windows software debugging. They contain function names, variable identifiers, source line number mappings, and type information that enables debuggers to display meaningful names and source code positions when analyzing program execution and crash data. Microsoft DBG debug symbol files use the COFF common object file format, debug information structure storing symbol table entries with function addresses, variable locations, type definitions, and source file line number mappings. The format has been largely superseded by PDB Program Database files in modern Windows development. Microsoft Visual Studio, developed by Microsoft Corporation, serves as the industry application standard for DBG. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows may open the script visually, but its logic runs only under the specified runtime. Begin the search for the correct application handler. Right-click the DBG file and choose Open With. Use Microsoft Visual Studio first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn file errors. If you still can't open the DBG file, it's okay. Now it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We've prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, loading in debuggers. Load DBG symbol files in WinDBG or Visual Studio Debugger by placing them in the same directory as the corresponding executable or configuring the symbol path. In WinDBG, use the .sympath command to add the DBG file directory. The debugger resolves function names and source lines using the symbol information during debugging sessions. Next, analyzing crash dumps. Use WinDBG with DBG symbol files to analyze Windows crash dumps and application failures. Load the crash dump with file, then open crash dump and configure symbol paths to include DBG file locations. The analyze POC-AV command processes the dump using symbols to identify the failing function and call stack with meaningful names. Finally, migrating to PDB format. Modern Windows development uses PDB files instead of DBG format for debug symbols. If you have source code recompile with current Visual Studio, which generates PDB files automatically. For legacy binaries with only DBG symbols, convert using Symcheck or continue using the DBG files with compatible debugger versions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.